Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix error code all cameras are reserved. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security, click Camera. Turn on camera access, also turn on let apps access your camera. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps and Features. Click three dots under Camera app, click Advanced Options. Click Repair, if same error still exists use Reset. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Camera, right-click Camera, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Camera, right-click Camera, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart System. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.